Welcome to my channel, MPM Glad. Please subscribe and press the notification para updated kayo sa mga videos ko. So, nakapunta ako dito sa Ronda kasi mayroon akong kailangan na dapat gawin related to the land na yung pangalan ng kapatid ko is wrong. So, dapat i-change siya into a complete name. So, pinuntuhan ko para matulungan ko siya na matapos and the tax declaration will name correctly. So, nagpunta ako. Pagkatapos na ako doon sa municipal assessor, nagpunta ako dito sa Ronda Wharf. Kasi naalala ko nung unang panahon ng high school days ko na dito yung mga panahon na wala na kaming klase, tapos na kami sa klase, magpunta kami dito para magpahangin. So, binalikan ko siya kasi gusto kong makita kung ano naman ang improvement. So, nakita ko dito, mayroon namang mga improvement for 30 years. Ito na yung mga improvement. Meron siyang kahoy na pwede ka nang magstay for a while. Because mayroon ng ano dito, look like a staff house. Tapos, nag-reclaim na din sila, nadagdagan na yung space dito sa wharf. So, ito yung mga makita natin. Noon, dito kami after our CET, dito kami magpahinga. Tapos, pagtapos yung examination namin, like periodical, dito din kami. Kasi it's nice to feel the air. So, mayroon namang improvement. Nakita naman na mayroon ding improvement. It's used to be a place for boat from Negros na mayroon silang dala na mga livestock. So, dito mag-dock yung boat. So, yun. Nakita ko mayroong nag-fishing. Yun ang ginagawa. So, ito yung mga changes na nakita ko dito sa wharf. So, it's nice na mayroong improvement. It's nice to see. Pero yung 2013 na may flooded dito sa town, that was the worst time in Ronda. Na pati yung merkado namin nag-flooded ng mga mud. Sobrang lungkot nung time na yun. Pero slowly, naibabalik naman din. And tapos yung udit, mayroong damages na din. Yung mga bahay nagiba. Pero slowly, naka-recover naman. So, ito ang hometown ko dito sa Cebu. Yung Ronda. Dito ako na born and raised. So, that is Libuo Hills. Yung nakita mo na hills. Walang mga bahay doon. Sa likod lang mayroon. So, yun ang pinaka-nice na place dito sa Ronda. Ito yung hills na makita mo. It's so nice to look at na mayroon namang improvement. Naalala ko pa nung unang panahon na magpunta kami dito, dapat mayroon kaming umbrella pag like 1, 2 or yung araw na masakit pa yung init. Tapos magiba yung umbrella namin kasi yung hangin malakas sometimes. So yun ang naalala ko dito. Kasi wala pa yung parang staff house. Walang kahoy, wala lahat. It's purely the road, and there is no place to hide under hide from the sun. So you have to walk and it's hot. So yun ang naalala ko nung panahon na 1990s. So kung babalikan natin yung panahon na yun, medyo delay yung improvement. Kunting kaalaman. Before Spanish colonization, yung town na Ronda, the original name is Huluyaw. So, pagdating ng Spanish colonization, yung mga rebels is resisting the Spaniard. They used to hide in Malalay, one of the barangay in Ronda. So when the times that the Spaniard raid, they normally hide there on that place, Malalay, kasi they have a place to hide. Maraming hills doon. So yun ang place and yun ang ginagawa nila, mag-raid yung mga Spaniard. So during the time na market day, tapos mayroon yung mga Spanish soldier pass through the town. So the local fled because they are terrified, and except the chieftain Tupungtod, who remained calm. So the chieftain, when asked about the incident, replied in Cebuano, nahadlok sila sa Ronda. They were afraid of the raid. So the Spaniard, not understanding the language, assumed the place was called Ronda. So the Spanish explorer in 1965 found the native friendly and have a meeting with them. So from the original name Holoyaw, they changed it to Ronda. Kasi nahirapan sila na mag-pronounce sa pangalan na Holoyaw. So, and then the second reason, our place is resemblance to Spain. So, yun, na agreed nila na they will call it Ronda. So, from then on, from Holoyaw, change it to Ronda until this time. So, yun ang history ng hometown namin. So, this is part of the improvement here in Ronda. That's the municipal hall. And this here is like this WD. This one is the LTO in Ronda. And this building, that is my school when I was in high school. Here is my church. This is our church of Our Lady of Sorrow, our patron. And this is the highway, and we're going to Santa Cruz for our house and lot viewing. So this is the plaza of Ronda. And this road is going to Cebu City. And I'll show you some of areas here. And we call here is walang tao dito normally. Yung mga mangrove lang nasa gilid. That's the place na medyo straight yung road niya. So this is the place called Kandoling. This is part of Kandoling right here. This is part of Ronda. And there is one of the gas station here that you could stop when you need it. Here, that's the gas station that is part of Kandoling. Till here, see you in the next video. Bye for now.